Rockets fired from Gaza for third night, for lightly hurt running for shelter. Iron Dome intercepts 2 of the 5 projectiles, Israel to restrict Gaza fishing zone in response to rockets as armed groups in coastal enclave continue to ramp up tensions. Terrorists in Gaza fired rockets toward Israel for the third night in a row on Sunday and early Monday, with the Iron Dome system intercepting 2 of the 5 projectiles. 4 people, including a pregnant woman, were lightly wounded after falling while running to bomb shelters early Monday, medics said. A first projectile was detected by the Israel Defense Forces, which said it only set off red alert sirens in an open area where it evidently fell. A second rocket landed inside Gaza near the security fence. Just after 3 a.m., 3 more rockets were fired, with the Iron Dome system intercepting 2 of them. A third fell inside Gaza, the army said. The launches came hours after the Gaza ruling Hamas issued a statement calling on our noble resistance in Gaza to keep their fingers on the trigger, to keep their rockets on standby to target the enemy's fortresses and military and vital structures. Just after midnight Sunday, the Israeli military announced that it would be restricting the fishing zone off the Gaza coast from 15 to 9 nautical miles, starting at 6 a.m. Monday until further notice. The Israeli military notably refrained from conducting retaliatory strikes in the Gaza Strip on Saturday night, in an apparent bid to ease tensions. Israel normally adopts a tit-for-tat strategy, responding to Gazan rocket fire by shelling Hamas observation posts or imposing restrictions on the Gaza Strip.